Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Virgos. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Virgos. Eight of Cups, Eight of Wands. Okay, guys. So with these cards, Virgos, I feel something is moving towards this relationship, towards you at a very fast pace. This may be in your work or in your relationship. Some things are happening at a very fast pace, guys. So you were not expecting it to happen at this pace, and you just want to, what to say, make it stop, take a break from this quick changes that are happening around you, guys. So for some of you all, you are just reflecting within yourself what to do, how to do about things, because the way these changes are happening in your life, you just want to take a pause and think before deciding, guys. So in this relationship, maybe this person wants to go with marriage. They want a committed relationship with you because they are feeling really happy to be with you, to be in this relationship with you. They have that emotional satisfaction and they feel honored, joy. So they are really happy how things are turning out, but you are having few thoughts in your mind that may be because of the fast pace, how things are quickly coming towards this marriage or towards this engagement. So you just want to take a pause and think within yourself whether to go in for this wedding or not. So let us see what is coming up, guys, with this card. What is the energy with these cards to give us better clarity of your situation, lady? Sun, heart. So this relationship is definitely what you want, guys. There is good understanding and love and happiness in this relationship, and with this card I feel the negative emotion you feel, some kind of waiting energy or delaying energy you feel. You may be able to overcome it. You may feel optimistic and inspired to go in with this relationship or this great change that is coming towards you, guys. So something is moving at a very fast pace towards you. This may be regarding your work or in your in your relationship. Some great changes are happening, guys. So let us see what is the fairy guidance today. This is a very positive card, guys. So with this card I feel all your negatives, whatever you want to do, like you want to stay away maybe for some of you all, or take a break because of some reasons or some fears, or you may be having some limitations, so you may be able to overcome that. That is the energy with these cards, guys. So the fairies are guiding us today with, I'll be picking one card, guys. See what is coming up. Mildew fairy, clean up time. So this fairy is guiding us with Sometimes we feel stuck in certain situations with stuck emotions, maybe some preconceived notions what we have about relationships, and we do not allow fresh thinking to overtake us. So you need to think fresh, think of your situation from a different point of view, guys, and you have to release all the old emotions you have. So when you do that, you will find a freshness within yourself. So you will be able to accept what is there new in front of you, and you will have that new approach towards life and towards your situation. So that is what the fairy is guiding us to do, guys. So you need to let go of your past emotions or feelings, whatever you have, and welcome that is coming towards you. Welcome the new things that is coming towards you, Virgo. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.